Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're checking out the DeLonghi Eletta model number ECAM44660B espresso machine, right? It's a renewed model, which is interesting.
And pitting it against the Breville Barista Touch Impress, BES881BSS. I've heard great things. Sounds like a serious coffee showdown for the home barista.
Exactly. Let's dive in and see which one reigns supreme. Okay, the DeLonghi is a super-automatic, meaning it pretty much handles everything from grinding to brewing to milk frothing. It aims for barista-quality drinks with minimal effort.
The Breville is also super automatic, but it boasts an impressive touchscreen interface with real-time feedback. Plus, it guides you through the Impress Puck system. That's pretty cool and sounds helpful for consistent results.
Yeah, the DeLonghi has a touch control panel too, and it can brew 2 cups at once, which is great for couples or when you need that extra caffeine kick. It uses the latte crema system for milk.
The Breville ups the ante with a Baratza European Precision Burr Grinder, offering 30 grind settings. Sounds super precise for dialing in the perfect flavor profile from your beans. Freshly ground is key.
The DeLonghi has an integrated silent coffee grinder as well, with 13 adjustable settings. Not quite as many as the Breville, but still offers decent control over the grind.
Both have milk frothers, which is a must for cappuccinos and lattes. No one wants a sad, flat white. The Breville has something called Auto Mill Q, featuring alternative milk settings. Apparently, it calibrates air injection and temperature specifically for different milk types, like oat milk. Interesting for non-dairy drinkers.
The DeLonghi has a patented automatic cappuccino system, so it sounds pretty hands-off. Just press a button, and you get a layered cappuccino.
The Breville boasts a thermojet heating system that heats up in just 3 seconds. No waiting around for your caffeine fix. That's a huge plus for busy mornings.
DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs, including descaling and rinsing, which is a big plus for maintenance and keeping the machine in top shape.
The Breville has assisted tamping with a 7-crown barista twist. I'm guessing that helps get the perfect, consistent puck every time, which is crucial for even extraction.
Probably. The DeLonghi uses 15 bars of pressure. I'm not sure how that compares in real-world performance, though.
The Breville doesn't specify the exact pressure, but it highlights precise extraction and temperature control. Maybe it's focusing on a more nuanced approach than just high pressure.
Both look like nice machines, honestly. It depends on what you prioritize. One thing, though, the DeLonghi I'm looking at is renewed, meaning it's been inspected and tested. It's also currently unavailable, which might make the decision for you.
The Breville is brand new and readily available. That's a significant factor to consider, especially if you want that peace of mind and full warranty. It really comes down to if you want brand spanking new with all the latest tech, or if you're willing to take a chance on a renewed machine for potential savings, if you can even find one.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.